I have been eating okpa since I was 7 years old, if I remember very well, but I have never really made okpa myself. Interestingly, the process is very easy and you will see as we go along in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. This is Bambara nut and this is what okpa is made from. You can get this from big foodstuff markets around you. You need to buy this Bambara nut, pick out the dirt and blend into fine powder. I already have my Bambara nut flour, so I'm going to get a bowl and add a bit of warm water alongside palm oil. About a quarter of a cup of palm oil followed by Bambara nut flour. I am using 2 cups of the okpa flour and with my clean hands I am going to mix this. It was when I made okpa myself I understood why they use hand to mix this. I mean, this thing doesn't smoothen on time, but with the hands you're able to feel for lumps and make it smooth. So once you have it looking like this, you're going to go ahead and add water in bits. I learned doing it this way first helps to incorporate the palm oil properly into the okpa flour. So I'm going to add the water in bits like I said and continue mixing. I must mention that I'm using warm water throughout this process, so please take note. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button. People always forget to like. A lot of people watch, but not many people remember to click the like button. So please help me like this video so that you too can suggest it to more people. Thank you. That will be your contribution to growing the channel. Thank you. Alright, as you can see, I have been mixing and adding water in bits till I achieved this consistency. You want to make sure it is looking like this. Not too thin and not too thick. And to that I'm going to add some chopped yellow scotch bonnet pepper, some salt, and this is blended uziza seeds, which I'm going to work into this creamy batter. I learned that the classic okpa recipe does not include adding stock cube, that's Maggi, and that's why I'm not using any in this recipe. And believe me, it doesn't take away from the deliciousness of this okpa. I have now portioned my okpa into plastic bags ready for cooking. I made sure to double the plastic bags just in case. You can use leaves to wrap this. They should be able to stay in leaves. And into the boiling water, I'm going to add the okpa and cook this for about 30 to 40 minutes. Please don't worry, I'm going to put a list and measurement of every ingredient I used in the description box. Now this is about 35 minutes later and this okpa is looking good. They're firm and I could not wait to dig in at this point. For now, I am still the only person who eats okpa in my home, but it's just a matter of time before the others fall in. Because now that I have the flour handy, I'll be making this from time to time and they have no choice. Thank you everyone for watching this okpa recipe. I hope you like it. If you did, do well to like and leave me a nice comment. I will see you very soon with another recipe. Bye bye.